one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I'm pouring out my love upon a dry and weary land. I'm pouring out my spirit upon that which has seemed dry and barren. Where you have felt arid, where you felt devoid of life, I'm coming to give life. I'm coming to bring newness of life to you. Trust in me and trust that I'm turning situations around. I'm turning them around for your good. For where you have been thirsty, your thirst will be quenched. For I am giving you my living water, my living words of life. Do not fear, but draw into my presence, knowing that I am at work, renewing you, strengthening you, empowering you. Trust in me that I fill you anew in this day. I fill you afresh. For I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who is faithful and true. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.